Once you begin to have that connection with the body, then you're able to connect within, in the brain. And that's what we do right now with Stanford University to get rid of PTSD, fear, trauma, and depression, to learn to expand consciousness. And together with breathing, you create the right chemistry, and then the neurons, they channel up, and thus your perception, your consciousness, is going to be, you smell more, you see the colors brighter, you experience deeper. And that's the brain. And then connecting once again with all the cells makes you a beautiful living being. And thus the mind can still be stilled. And that's what I want to reach, because we gotta get rid of this confusing shit in the world. It's happening so much. That's why we have wars and money craving, power craving, and dominating, and all that shit that stresses us up, and it takes away the most important within us, our own happiness, strength, and health. Not an egocentric one, a natural one. The goal of what I'm teaching is, it's not mine, I found it, it's a river. We all are thirsty. I found the river. I quenched my thirst, but there is a lot more where that came from, and streaming. And you can do with it whatever you want. I don't need to convince you. It's here. So that's the way I use science, hand it over, and you can make your choice. You don't need to, but I love you. And this is the way I present it to you.